Hello viewers, today we are going to see solenoid driver circuit. Basically you all know that you might have studied about solenoid. So if you apply a current through the coil, a magnetic field is created, or you can create a electromagnet. So if you place a metal core in that coil, it can act as a magnet, and based on that you can have linear movement, circular movement, and you have different types of solenoid. So basically solenoid can be viewed as which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Okay, a mechanical movement. It can be linear, circular, like that. So for solenoid, this is the current flowing in a circular path. The windings are circular and comes out like this. So now at the center of the coil you can experience the effect of magnet. That is, magnetic field is centered around the circle. This side is north pole, this is south pole. This is the length of the coil, and the current flowing through the coil is I. So the magnetic flux density B is equal to mu naught Ni. Mu naught is constant, N is number of turns. That means if you increase the number of turns, this number of turns, here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7 windings are there. That means if you increase the number of turns, magnetic flux density will increase, or else if you increase the current flowing through the coil, then also magnetic flux density increase, or if you increase both, magnetic flux density will increase. Now suppose in between the inside the circular coil, if you place a core, metallic core, that can be viewed as a magnet. So based on that magnetic principles, like poles repel and unlike poles attract, you can make this metal move this side or this side. Okay, so we have to drive this circuit, and we will see some of the applications. So this is a driver circuit basically. This is our solenoid. You can see a diode in parallel with that solenoid. This is a MOSFET device. The part number is IRF540, and inside inside itself you have a Zener diode, which maintains a constant voltage between source and drain. That's the purpose of using a Zener diode there. And here you have 10K and 10K. So this is a 7805 regulator IC, because this is driven with 12 volts DC supply. So you all know that a coil is a short. So therefore the 12 volts directly comes to the powering up of the MOSFET. So the supply volt comes through this. This is a protection diode, because if there is a reverse polarity, the solenoid, this diode will conduct. That means if this goes negative and this goes positive, this will conduct, and you can protect the solenoid. So for example, solenoids are used for latching, door latch, so for locking. Suppose if it is reserved, means it will unlock. So to protect that, it should not happen. So protect that, we will make use of diode. So these are the 1 nanofarad is a filter, high frequency filter capacitor. So this 12 volts is the input to the 7805 regulator IC. At the third pin you will be having plus 5 volts well regulated DC supply. So this is the switch. That means if you make the switch, the solenoid gets actuated. That means you provide a supply to the gate. This is gate. Therefore MOSFET goes into conduction and the solenoid gets the current. If you open the circuit, this acts as an open circuit. Therefore solenoid, there is no current for solenoid, because this is drain and source. When this is closed, you can treat this as this between these 2 points, drain and source, it is a short. Therefore this ground will appear here. Therefore a current flows through the solenoid, and the solenoid gets actuated, provided if you have any metal core inside, it will move linearly. We can make it to move linearly. Okay, so mainly this is a driver circuit because you cannot put a solenoid directly in the supply. You need a driver circuit. So this is the electronic part of it, so that this circuit drives the solenoid. So it can be made into on or off. Okay. So some of the applications, one is latching purpose, door and other things. In industries, it is used for many purpose. Doorbell, ringing a doorbell. That is actually because of AC. So the different types of solenoid is linear. Linear means you can make the core move linearly. In out. That is depends on the supply current, supply voltage and supply current. And the different types of solenoid is linear, rotary, AC laminated solenoid, DC C frame solenoid, and DC D frame solenoid. So this is a driver circuit which drives the solenoid. So when you close the switch, this MOSFET goes into on. Therefore the drain, and so this is drain, and so this is gate. So this can be viewed as a short circuit. So the solenoid goes into conduction, it actuates. So when you open circuit, the solenoid will not actuate and it goes to the previous position, original position. So that's all about this solenoid driving circuit. This is the practical way of driving a solenoid. Okay. Hope you have understood the driver circuit. Thanks for watching. Nandri.